Chad's about to do some madness, Mario. It's going in. We're gonna see if everything holds up. Should, right?
Stock motor. Okay, look. Tell me that don't look. Oh yeah.
It looks beautiful. Give me some ITBs right here. And there should be 2 turbos. No, what the heck is that? Them big beefy eyes. There you go, you pump. Yeah. Go. Get it, girl, get it. Look at this, husband and wife. I mean, boyfriend and girlfriend.
Christmas is coming, guys.
Who? Oh. Yo, get him, boy. You just walked in and heard that shit. Get it. Get it.
No, you can't talk like that. No, you don't.
Done messed up. What's over?
What's up, brother? Walk on.
There.
Alright, Michaela, how high are you gonna go?
Hey, stop, Michaela. Stop. My goodness. That's the highest I've ever seen a motor. Especially something that big.
Did we drop it with this?
Yeah, just drop it on the ground. So down, 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 slowly.
Push your way, push your way. Because that holds, that's right.
I'm just trying to get those in the hole. See,
Yeah, that's what it
they're
is.
going in now.
They're going, okay. Down slowly.
Watch that cable
Okay, watch.
on the thing.
For this? AC?
Okay. Okay, stop.
Wait,
Can someone try?
give me the
Hey,
light.
go down on the bottom.
Give me the light. Give me the light.
And try to put one bolt or something in.
Oh no, wait. I wanted to see where the. Hold on. Okay. I don't want this thing. All right, the engine's got to go, like.
That's fine. That's
right.
fine.
Okay, the engine's almost lined up.
Okay.
On this side. So you know what? Maybe let it come down.
Okay.
Maybe let the engine come down a little.
Wait, no, hold on. Jay, do me a favor. TK, come over here and push this in.
Okay.
Jay, slowly, okay?
Yeah, Jay, bring it down slow. Someone's got to bring the tranny down too, though.
Ready?
Okay, ready? Yeah, hold on.
Wait, can someone? Hold on.
No, I can't. I can't hold
Hold
it.
on.
There you go.
All right, go. Are
Slowly.
you bringing it down?
Yeah, it's coming down.
Okay, push it in. Oh, there you go. There you go.
It's
Come
in,
on,
right?
Okay. Okay, stop.
Look
All
where,
right.
look where the hole is and
T.
it's going. Yeah, jack up, jack down.
No. Lower the tranny a little bit.
Is this what excites Chad when it goes in? Engine parts?
Yo, lower the tranny very little.
Nickel? You can't even talk straight.
Bring it down! Go back up. All right, a little bit. Hold on. A little bit.
You guys hear this language?
Stop. Stop right there. Don't.
Good?
Hold the phone.
Hold the phone.
Everyone let go. It's in.
Sweet. So now,
Everything's done. It's literally
engine's in.
Can you lift that car up a little bit so I can get out? I'm like really under here. Like pretty deep.
Turning in perfectly now. Just yesterday we were wrestling with that bolt and look at this. Good to go
It
again.
was just yesterday.
Yesterday.
Is there a hole in this somewhere? No, but this hole.
This goes in there. No,
No,
this
that's where
way.
the
Look,
radiators
look.
in,
Goes in this
where the
way.
hose, expansion tank.
Yeah, this
AC,
lip.
back
See
up.
this lip? It probably goes in there.
I don't think so.
2 days in a row, this thing's about ready to start up. Almost ready.
Maybe. I've never seen it.
Draft shaft for the D8 is in.
Everybody? S1.
In stock.
Yep. S1 carrier bearings. And you got your S1 slip yoke 1310 to the 1310 U-joint to the 1310 flange, all 1310.
There with 1310.
Yeah, this is the front half. People get that mixed up. Front half. Then you got the back half. 1310 joint, 1310 joint, 1310 U-joint. And obviously you guys can see this is where they cut and weld. This is where we adjust. We adjust the shafts in the back. The front usually stays the same, and they cut and weld in. When the back is where we make the movement of adjustment. Yep. Ready to go in the car.
Nice. And it's of course going in KK's DA right here. You guys seen it? We're gonna be changing the back plate right here to our Delta 7.
And
Snickers is your best friend.
And we'd take some Snickers sponsor because I like that.
Right. And his drive shaft, of course, is gonna be bolted right here, all the way to there. So it's coming together. All the DA guys, the DA Integra crew. This is gonna be done pretty soon. And right over here we have Michaela. Sometimes she works out, sometimes she eats. We're gonna be going to Swerve car show this weekend. This is our display that we're getting ready right here. Full on display. We're gonna have a display for the Delta 7 and also a display for our other setup, the version 2, I believe. So yeah, if you want to see us, we're gonna be Daytona Sunday for the Swerve car show. Sweet. So the people want to know.
Was this good?
No, they want to know what's going on in Michaela's life.
I don't know.
I don't know. You hear what she talk? But she can friggin' burn a car out in a second. So we cleaned the engine up and everything. It started up with a couple misfires. So we changed out all the coils, brand new spark plugs. We're gonna give it a start up to see what's going on. Shadow. Sounds nice. We got brand new coils on there. Give it a rev. Yep, another one in the books. Sounds good. It sounds good, dude. No misfire, nothing. Good to go. Hey guys, just want to show you again our billet forks right here. These are for when you're going to go all-wheel drive for the rear. It allows the axle to go through here. If you didn't have this type of fork, axle would definitely be hitting. And also, when you guys order something like this, we would need what coilovers you have. That way your coilovers can, you know, screw right onto this. Well made. Had these for a while. These are like $2.99 plus shipping for all models. 88 to 2000 Civic, 90 to 2001 Integra. I'm gonna show you guys on the car right now. Check it out. I'm gonna go over here. As you guys can see right here, it's on our EM1. See the axle? Bolts right onto the coilover. It maintains stock geometry, all stock location. Everything is straight, there's no pivot in or anything at all. Definitely needed for the all-wheel drive setup. Are you tuning today?
No. Well, actually, yeah, over by Spirit of the 90s.
Okay. You don't mind being interviewed, right? Big up your Instagram naman, your pencil.
Pencil tuning.
You don't see it, but yeah, pass you back later.
Yeah, man, my pass
Yeah.
through. At the B12, I come for see, you know.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, right. So yeah, park up right next to you. Back up next to you. Smiling. Mine. This is O'Neil.
Hi.
This is Tuner. This is
Hi, how's it going?
Nissan guy right here. Isn't it a Nissan guy from Jamaica, right?
There it is, bro. All the time, bro. SR20.
Son,
That's
O'Neil.
like 20. Honey, what's up, man?
Tuner.
How you doing?
You're sitting over here, dude.
I mean, it's a freaking... Hey, all my Nissan people are gonna be mad, but this is the way.
Yeah, I'm in
K is the way. K is the way. Front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, all wheel drive. K is
This
the
one's
way.
gonna be all wheel.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have the tranny in it already. See?
Clears.
I don't know yet.
Clears, but firewall you're gonna have to notch and drive shaft.
Yeah, I want to try to have this done by, my goal is to try to have it done by July in Honda Fest, like painted and everything. 'Cause I'm gonna paint it, I want to paint it like the army green
My door,
color
my
and
yard.
everything.
Mud, man. Mud like yours. Hey, Rashawn, why you not here, bro? Always working.
I know, man.
Work on the
Tough.
phone with him with this damn BMW.
This damn working BS that he keeps coming with. Oh, I gotta work. You gotta work. That's what we do. Respect.
Yeah, link up again, yeah?
Yeah, man.
See.
Yo, nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah, see it.
Car's all done right now. Just to show you guys how we take care of people's cars, you know. It's definitely looking like the car hasn't even been touched. But we got it all cleared up. There was a few codes, changed some coils, some spark plugs, and it's good to go. KK is doing the final touches right now. Customer satisfaction on the 4.3 3UZ. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We thank you guys for watching. And if you have 3UZs, you know, you can take them to us. Right, KK?
Negative.
One love.
Watching racing information, got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, always gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got the minus.